My name is Sirimang Balde. I'm from the Gambia. I'm really impressed. I really thank you people very much because I had that opportunity to come here and see. I am really impressed. I really thank the trainers and the whole team and the Indonesian training center. I don't know even the word to express, but to say thank you. I really thank you for the hospitality and the presentations here. I thank you a lot.
I just want to appreciate the opportunity that the Indonesian government has given to Zambia and to many of African participants. Concerning today's practice, we have really appreciated how agriculture machinery can help us to improve our rice production in Africa. That is also very good for Africa because Africa has a mixed type of agriculture where others are doing direct planting, others also use transplanting. So the knowledge that we have gotten from Indonesia today will really help us to improve our rice production in general. And we really want to thank all the facilitators, all the people that took part in ensuring that we get the best training from Indonesia. Thank you very much.